lecture, I'm going to discuss about how to install our programming language on Windows 10 or 11 operating system. So for this one, in Google search box right there, or for Windows, then you can go http scan or projects or bin. So you need to write this, then you can go on this site. So let's click there. Then you can see this the version is there. So you need to click download or 4.42 for Windows. This is the 64-bit operating system that's available for. And the size is 183 MB. So file is now currently downloading with this speed. Now you can see download that's done here. Let's click open folder. Then you can see this are 4.42 for Windows. After that, double click on this executable file. Next is our bin.exe. Let's click on yes button. And here you can select your language. Let's click on OK button and click on next. This is the location where R is going to install. Let's click on next. So main, that's all fine. And no accept default. So this is customized. This is for default version. And let's click on next. So this is for desktop and this here extension. And now let's click next. So here you can see installing this R version this one, and currently this is extracting the files. So this the version is now installing into our system. Now this done here. After that, the next is if I open their command prompt, and now if I write there R, then you can see R is not recognize internal or external command. So the next is we need to go on this C drive and here program files. This is the R directory 4.2. This has been here, and here you can see our R script is there. If you want, then you can go there on 64. Here you can also see R and somewhere R script. So you need to copy this location and open there, edit or system environment variable. Click on this environment variable, go to the path, edit, new, paste this location, click on OK, OK, OK. Now if you write there R, the same message you can get here. So again, opening this place, press R or press command prompt, then you can see these terms here. Or R version 4.2 that install free software, this all. And here Q for Qt, this is demo, this is install. So if you write there help, then this helping thing you can get here. Okay, topics or related helping contents you can get there. Okay, so this is how we can install R inside the Windows operating system. So I hope guys this video is helpful for you. So now this video is over. So thanks for watching. See you next week. Thank you.